Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can enable and disable the auto rotation on your Huawei Mate X3. For that, we want to first, unlock our phone and then go to our drop-down menu. And here we have the auto rotate. It's disabled right now. And when we go to our gallery, for example, and we turn the phone sideways, then nothing will shift. If we turn that on and then go back to our gallery, then we see that this screen shifts sideways. When we open up the phone, this is what it looks like, and we can shift our screen to like all sides. And then when we turn that off again, just go to your drop-down menu, turn that off, then nothing will shift anymore. So then the screen will just stay at the place it is right now. So that's how you can enable and disable the auto rotate on your Huawei Mate X3. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.